As of my last update in August 2023, John Deere is primarily known for manufacturing agricultural, construction, and forestry machinery, rather than passenger vehicles or pickup trucks. If John Deere were to release a pickup truck in 2025, it would likely combine their renowned engineering with rugged, utility-focused features tailored to the needs of farmers, ranchers, and outdoor workers. Hypothetical features of a 2025 John Deere pickup truck. 1. Design and exterior. Rugged appearance. The truck would likely have a robust, utilitarian design with strong lines and a muscular stance, suitable for tough environments. John Deere branding, signature green and yellow color scheme, with the John Deere logo prominently displayed. Heavy-duty construction, high-strength steel or aluminum body panels, reinforced bumpers, and skid plates for off-road protection. Advanced lighting, LED headlights, fog lights, and taillights designed for optimal visibility in various working conditions. 2. Performance and capability. Engine options, likely equipped with a range of engines, including a powerful diesel option known for torque and durability, perhaps even hybrid or electric options to appeal to the modern, eco-conscious farmer. Towing and hauling. High towing capacity, possibly exceeding 10,000 pounds, with features like trailer sway control, integrated brake controllers, and advanced hitching systems. Off-road capability, four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and an advanced suspension system for handling rough terrain. Payload capacity, strong bed design with a high payload capacity, reinforced for heavy loads and equipped with tie-down points, bed lighting, and possibly a power tailgate. 3. Interior and comfort. Utility-focused interior, durable, easy-to-clean materials with a focus on functionality, such as rubberized floors, waterproof seats, and plenty of storage for tools and equipment. Technology integration. Advanced infotainment system compatible with smartphones, GPS, and John Deere's proprietary agricultural technology for seamless integration with farming equipment. Comfort and convenience. Despite its rugged nature, the truck would likely feature comfortable seating, climate control, and soundproofing to ensure a pleasant ride, even in harsh conditions. 4. Safety and driver assistance. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. 360-degree camera system, for enhanced visibility during towing, parking, and maneuvering in tight spaces. Agricultural safety features. Special sensors and software to enhance safety during farm operations, such as collision avoidance systems tailored for agricultural equipment. 5. Special features. Integrated tool storage, secure, lockable storage compartments for tools and equipment. Power outlets. Multiple 110 volts power outlets in the bed and cab for charging tools and devices on the go. John Deere Connect, a system allowing owners to monitor their vehicle's performance, maintenance needs, and integration with other John Deere equipment. Since this is speculative, if John Deere has indeed released a pickup truck in 2025, it would be best to consult official John Deere sources or automotive news outlets for the most accurate and up-to-date information.